What if I say, dear, me made a move back? The candy penny and the account, uncle. Sammy, I'm a friend, Greasy, I'm a friend to be a rassy, hanging in so, and committing will be a dinner dance. A child here will be a medium so, and I'm a tongue gone in the chef crass, the piano from another so. It's a be free, any Greasy, I'm be free in Africa. It's as a lady but I'm a free Greasy, a year to not to. Because my skin is black, Obia say there's no light on me, or I can't shine bright. So Mr. Sammy Home is dedicated to every black person in the world, not to change, not to fall, not to switch up because of how somebody relates or somebody treats you. So it's a pride song about being proud of yourself. Believing in yourself, accepting whoever you are, whatever you are, all body types, no shaming, accepting who you are. When I say, if you're meaning to me, when I say, I can't use you, when I say, when I say, when I say, take it as if, I'm slender, I'm light skinned, I'm built, I'm muscular. All the things that society thinks is how we're supposed to go, it's how things are supposed to be, body types that we accept in society and those that we don't accept. So this is a call to us not to change, and believe in ourselves, stay true to ourselves, not to switch, regardless of whatever goes and regardless of how we are being treated. We should stand for ourselves, believe in ourselves, and be happy people. I mean, Nadia message Samuel, Nadia message Samuel, yeah, Nadia message Samuel, Nadia message Samuel, Nadia message Samuel. Be a fatness, if you are, Miss Sam, fatness, men of 4 years, yes, fatness.